Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Sandevistan implant is installed and powered. This matters because slow time depends on implant charge. Next, make sure your CyberDeck has a Quickhack equipped and at least one RAM buffer, since you will trigger hacks while time is slowed. Open the Cyberware and CyberDeck menus, then bind your most used Quickhack to a hotkey so you can access it instantly. Once done, exit menus and position yourself near a target with line of sight for the next steps. You activate Sandevistan to create the time window. This lets you apply multiple quick hacks before normal reaction resumes. While time is slowed, use a low RAM hack first to break shields or stun electronics because it preserves resources. Then immediately target high-value enemies with damage over time or disable hacks, chaining them as needed. Make sure to watch your RAM and quick hack cooldowns. If you run out, prioritize escape or melee finishers. This sequence maximizes control and damage during the slowed interval. You finish by releasing Sandevistan deliberately so you can aim steady shots or melee chain finishers. Holding it too long wastes charge. If a quick hack fails, inspect the target's firewall percent and your CyberDeck level, because insufficient hacking power causes failures, upgrade or target weaker enemies. Also, keep consumables or mods that recharge implant energy and RAM between fights. They let you reuse the tactic more often. One tip: if things go wrong, back off, region.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.